Now let's look at another thing here. How do we delete items from a list? So if you want to delete items, you can indicate the index of the item you want to delete, or you can also delete the value. Let's try with the first one where we use indexing. So let's create, let's say, basis again. A, T, C, G. If let's say I want to delete T, then I can say the basis and indicate the index, which is 1. So if I do it this way, then I type basis, it's gone. So this is how we use indexing. If I have numbers, let's say numbers 110, 120, let's say 34, 46. If I want to remove, let's say 34, index is what? 0, 1, 2, 2. So I can say the numbers 2. So now if I query for numbers, 34 is gone. So of course, when you remove an item, then the indexing will change for some of the items. So you should take note of that. Now let's look at the second approach. Let's check here where we delete item by value. So again, let me just use the basis here to make it simple and fast. Now this time, let me add something else here. I'll add a, let's see, G again. If I want to delete item by value, that means I need to delete the value itself. So I can say, if let's say I want to remove A, then I can say basis.remove, and I say A. So it will be removed. So if I say basis, the A is gone. But we have 2 of the A's, and this one still remains. So here, what happens is that it is the first one that is removed. The first occurrence that is removed. Okay, because we are just specifying the value. So if you want to remove this other one too, then you can do another one. Another basis that removed. So that will remove the second occurrence. So if there are 3, you have to do for the third one, etc. There are better ways to remove lots of items. But then this is something that we'll look at later on in another video for advanced users or intermediate users. So let's continue. So this is for the remover. Take note that this one too modifies the original list objects. Now let's look at another one, which I think I should have covered it here. That's the POP command, delete by indexing. Okay, maybe I'll try that one here. Let's say delete and return. Let me use what I use here. Yeah, delete now. So delete and then return the deleted item. Let's try this. Okay, so let's look at the third approach, which is delete and return the deleted item. So that one, the item will be removed or deleted and it will be returned to you. Maybe you want to use that item for another activity, another operation. So it will be returned to you. So that one, let me just try this. We use the .pop. So with that one, you have to let's say basis dot pop or pop. Then you indicate an index. So let's say 2. Okay. So it's removes it, but it returns it to you. Okay, that's what it does. So if let's say you want to use that variable for an operation, that value for an operation, let me just use that. So if you want to use that value for an operation, then you can just say, let's say C equals basis.pop2. So now C is there, but it has been removed, but has been returned to. So that means that the value has been assigned to this one, but in the list object itself, the main list, the main container, C is no longer there. So this is another approach to remove items. Okay, let's move on to the next one.